Hey, good day everyone. Check out this nice lithium-ion battery I have for this Bauer cordless drill. These things are really nice, and they really give this thing a boost and make it perform to its maximum. Here's a look at the battery. There's the specs on it. You can check your battery level here just by pushing that button in the front. Let's put this thing to use. Just slides right in here. Oh yeah, feel that power. It really makes this thing zip. Go ahead and drive some lag bolts with this. This battery really supercharges this thing. It's nice. Go ahead and pop this one out. You can also use it to drive sockets. Here I got an adapter on this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and drive this big lag bolt in. Whew. That is nice. Works great for lag bolts. All right, the other thing this thing works good for is a cordless sander from Bauer. And turn this thing on right here. Overall, really happy with this battery. I'm going to use it a lot for both of these tools and more. Thanks for watching, everybody.